civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for Benton WA, Franklin WA, and all of Washington beginning at 2 p.m. and ending at 3 p.m. This is a test. This is only a test of the emergency alert system in Washington State issued by the Washington State Emergency Operations Center on behalf of NOAA. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test from the Washington State Emergency Operations Center.